love all things home. Today we are going to work in our kitchen area. I have been kind of taking all of my Easter stuff down and slowly just going to everyday style. As you can see behind me, I've added some more plates to this wall. Absolutely loving this wall. If you follow me on Instagram, I shared it yesterday. Instagram and Facebook though. But I thought we would just take a slow, easy morning, very casual. We're gonna wash some clothes and clean up the kitchen. So I'm so thankful that you're here with me today. I hope you will like today's video and maybe even give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Y'all have a great day, and I hope to see y'all Wednesday.
master of my life. His love is free and wide. He is the master of my life. He has chosen me. I have chosen Him. Let there be nothing, nothing in between, nothing in between. He carries me beneath His wing, from glory to the deepest pain. I dance beside Him in the rain. His goodness has become my strength. He carries me beneath His wing, from glory to the deepest pain. I dance beside Him in the rain. His goodness has become my strength. He has chosen me. I have chosen Him. Let there be nothing, nothing in between, nothing in between. He has chosen me. I have chosen Him. Let there be nothing, nothing in between, nothing in between. He is making all things new. A precious flower in His hand. There is nothing He can do. It's because of Him I stand. He is making all things new. Precious flower in His hand. There is nothing He can do. It's because of Him I stand. He has chosen me. I have chosen Him. Let there be nothing, nothing in between, nothing in between.
Who am I that the maker of heaven would love me and know me by name? In a world where I feel like a stranger, His love came and found me the same. In each breath that I breathe, when I wake or I sleep, everything I need is found in You. All in You, everything I need is found in You, found in You, Jesus. What is love that the God of the heavens would stoop down to love me with grace. In the midst of my pride and rebellion, his love wouldn't give up the chase. In each breath that I breathe,